begin in southwest Montana as fire crews from across the state continue to fight several large wildfires in that area. We are being told by state officials that a firefighter working on one of those fires died in the line of duty over the weekend. Officials say the firefighter was fighting the Bivens Creek fire in Madison County, northwest of Virginia City, when he suffered a cardiac emergency. Crews on scene say a line paramedic tried to conduct life-saving assistance, but attempts were unsuccessful. The firefighter has not been identified. The Madison County Sheriff's Office is now investigating. Right now, firefighters are battling two lightning-sparked wildfires burning northwest of Virginia City. The Bivens Creek fire has burned more than 2,200 acres with 0% containment. More than 600 firefighters are actively working to stop this fire. Governor Greg Gianforte was among the officials notified following the announcement. In a statement, the governor said, quote, "Tonight, we learned a firefighter suffered a medical emergency that resulted in his death while battling the Bivens Creek fire. Susan and I ask all Montanans to join us in praying for the family and friends of this fallen hero."